If you're a creator, you know the workflow struggle. You generate an image in one app, remove the background in another, upscale it in a third, and then head to a fourth for video. It's heavy, it's expensive, and it's slow. But lately, I've moved my entire production line to one place, 10b.ai. It's an independent, all-in-one AI visual suite that doesn't just promise quality, it delivers it in sub-second speeds. Today, I'm going to show you why I'm deleting the heavy software and how this tool handles everything from photography-level design to advanced video motion. I am starting with generating an image in text-to-image. Instead of the usual cyberpunk city prompts, let's try something with complex textures and lighting to see how the H800 GPUs handle the heavy lifting in real time. There are different models from Sedans to Nano Banana. Right now, I am going to use GPT Image 2 because it's the latest model and I want to see how it will perform. I am going to type the prompt, a hyper-realistic macro shot of a solar punk wristwatch. The gears are made of translucent emerald glass and bioluminescent moss, encased in a brushed titanium body. Soft natural sunlight filtering through leaves, creating dappled shadows. 8K extreme detail. Generate. Look at the sub-second speed, but more importantly, look at the material science here. The AI understands the translucency of the glass gears and how the moss would catch that light. This isn't just a random image, it's a design asset. Now I'm going to generate a video using this same image. For video, I'm going to use Sedans 2.0. Let's write the prompt. The emerald gears begin to rotate slowly in opposite directions. The bioluminescent moss pulses with a soft green light, and small dust motes drift through the sunbeams in the background. Cinematic slow motion. Let's generate. We just went from a static concept to a high-fidelity video asset in about some seconds of total work. No heavy VRAM usage on my end. Everything is happening on their enterprise servers. This is really nice, and even the quality is pretty awesome. I'm going to try to generate one more image in video, and the prompt is an interior shot of a futuristic library where the bookshelves are carved from giant, twisting white oak roots. The architecture is biophilic, with vines hanging from a glass ceiling, soft volumetric lighting, a quiet and ethereal atmosphere, intricate wood grain details. Generate. Look at the image. It looks exactly like what I was imagining. This shows that the new GPT Image 2 is actually really good in following the prompt direction. Now let's create a video with this image. I'm simply going to write here, a cinematic drone fly through the biophilic library, focusing on the carved bookshelves, then fly upwards towards the roof of the library to show the upper view, fast motion. Let's see what it will generate this time. And look at the video. According to the prompt, it did an amazing job. The video looks like a scene of a fantasy movie. 10b does not only include image and video generation, they also have a full suite of utility tools that handle the grunt work of design right in the browser. First, let's look at the Qwen Image Layer tool. This is a massive deal for designers. Instead of treating your generation as a flat, dead image, this tool uses semantic decomposition to break it into editable RGBA layers. Watch this. The tool divided the image into 8 layers. The watch, the marble base, and the background sunlight appear as separate transparent layers. This is crazy and really useful for designers.
Now, once you've got your core assets, you'll usually find yourself needing to do a bit of surgical editing. Instead of jumping into Photoshop or After Effects, you have a specialized toolbox sitting right here. If you need a different variation of your design, there's Image to Image to help you iterate on a concept while keeping the layout. If you're building a website or a thumbnail, the background remover and image eraser are your best friends. They handle the fine edges and unwanted objects in seconds. And for the final delivery, you've got the image upscaler to bring everything up to professional print or 4K resolution. But what's really cool for video editors is Video Extend. If your perfect shot is just a little too short, you can literally stretch the timeline out using AI. For social media creators, there's even a Longcat avatar tool for character-based content and a whole library of instant image and video effects. If you don't have time to craft a complex prompt, these presets give you a professional look with a single click. It's about taking those heavy, multi-step workflows and turning them into a few seconds of work.
The best part of this tool replacement, it actually saves you money. There are no expensive mandatory monthly subscriptions that charge you even when you aren't using them. It's a flexible, pay-as-you-go credit system. You only pay for exactly what you use. Plus, your data is fully encrypted, and they have a strict policy against sharing your work with third parties, which is non-negotiable for my client projects. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and stop jumping between apps, you need to try 10b.ai. It's fast, independent, and professional. Use the link in the description to get started. Let me know which tool, the layered AI or the video motion, is going to save you the most time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.